आधा कट गया।
हाँ
कट करो।
आधा कट गया, फुल कट गया।
Whether you have a side party, center party. This is the nail art, because nail art also plays a great role.
Yes.
A lot of different kind of painting they are doing,
Yeah, now it is getting into.
as well as you are potentially other people.
मैडम सोनिका
स्टार्ट सर। ये 1 सेकंड सर, चलो चलो सर। मैडम सर 1 पिक्चर।
मैं यहाँ हैदराबाद में आके बहुत ही खुश होता हूँ हमेशा जब भी आता हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ के लोगों की खूबसूरती, यहाँ के लोगों की बातचीत विद a smiling face, and this time I met her also. They are the symbol of the beauty now, and I came here with my grandson. हमारी ब्यूटी शॉप का मतलब सिर्फ एक होता है कि जब इंसान को ये फीलिंग होती है कि हाउ आई कैन लुक बेटर, उसके लिए ब्यूटी शॉप होती है। पहले घर में भी लिपा पोती करते थे, लेकिन आज एक टाइम आया है when the qualified people guide you properly, what style can go with you, what kind of the makeup you can have it now, all this thing now. Except the styling, one thing more, कि वहाँ पर हाइजीन सैनिटेशन वगैरह जो है वो बड़े कमाल की हो, प्रॉपर लोग आपको यहाँ पर डील करें जो भी कोई के, लोगों को एक प्रॉपर सर्विसेज शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. Now today I am here with my grandson. His sister also has done from England cosmetology. And थोड़ा सा introduction मैं आपके अपने बारे में बताऊँ. I will not tell my age, right? But I think I was the first Indian who had got the opportunity to go to England and learn the cosmetology. That Western world के अंदर country के अंदर nobody can work until they are basically qualified in cosmetology. Here anybody can do it now, right? तो वहाँ पर होते होते मैंने ये ड्रीम किया था कि यहाँ पर ऐसी सलून आनी चाहिए. एक और प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता दूँ, आपने देखा कि लंबे बाल हैं, मैंने इनसे पूछा मैं बाल नहीं काटूंगा, ये बाल काटूंगा. शी वॉज नॉट वेरी हैप्पी. तो क्या होता है, मेरे को मैं अकड़ के आया, मैं कहता हिंदुस्तान में ये कर दूंगा. एक बात नहीं मैं पहचान पाया कि यहाँ पर कोई फीमेल बाल ही नहीं कटवाती थी. आई वॉज सो फेड अप, आई वॉज गोइंग बैक टू इंग्लैंड. मैं मिसेस गांधी के बाल करता था. मैंने उनसे बोला कि जी आप ही के बाल छोटे हैं, लेकिन बाकी तो कोई कटाता नहीं हमसे, हम क्या करें. मैंने बोला जी आई एम गोइंग बैक टू इंग्लैंड. उन्होंने मेरे को एक बात बोली. आज मेरी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी VVIPs ऐसे हैं जिनमें बड़ी शानदार गाइडेंस है मेरी लाइफ के अंदर. उन्होंने मेरे को नहीं जाओगे तुम, डू समथिंग फॉर योर कंट्री. अब उसके अंदर लॉन्ग स्ट्रगल थी. वो सिलेबस मैं यहाँ पर लेके आया, मैं पढ़ाने लगा लोगों को. इट वॉज इन इंग्लिश. इट वॉज द पीपल कुड नॉट अफोर्ड इट टू गिव दैट मच मनी टू द वो गेट जो है वो काफ़ी आसान होता है व्हेन यू कैन रन इट. आज मैं अपने आप को थर्ड क्वार्टर में महसूस करता हूँ. एंड आई लाइक टू टेक इट द फोर्थ क्वार्टर, एंड इट विल कम वेरी सून, एंड आई एम श्योर it will come from Hyderabad people now, because I'm impressed by the Hyderabad people. देखिए मैं ब्यूटी को पसंद करता हूँ. आई एम ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, आप जानते हैं कि सारे
My name is Aman Habib, and I'm the third generation of Habib's family, and I'm very fortunate enough that this family is growing now in the place of Hyderabad, where, of course, which my grandfather is always saying that the smiling faces that are always there. So we're aggressively coming up with a lot of salons that would be a one-stop solution for all your beauty and hair care needs, where we have been adapting to new trends that are coming in, from nails to your hair to pedicures and everything. We have been aggressively coming up, and we're looking for more partners, and we definitely feel that this wellness industry will never die. And यही चीज़ मैं आप सारे लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ that anything that you need in terms of hair and beauty, Habib's is the place for you guys. And we definitely feel that our family has been growing. We are for everybody who's looking for their services, especially women in today time. They actually want to enhance themselves, even if whatever they are, they still want to have more and more. And I certainly feel that for women, and even like it's a unisex salon, but the space that we have, the hygiene and the standards that we maintain, with the proper sort of guidance that can be given to you through our our hairdressers, and a proper consultation of what is that something that will suit you. That is what exactly a career out of it, from our students to the people who are actually hairdressers also. A lot of our hairdressers have their own salons because they want to make a career. But the way we are adapting to the new changes and the new trends that are coming in, that is exactly what we are doing. And that is the entire mantra that is there, to make like any person who's been a client or anybody just has a good smiling face and they're happy and sad.
I'm the owner of this franchisee. In Hyderabad, we almost have 16 franchisee of Habib's now, and this franchisee especially have all the facilities starting from the nail art, nail extensions, and pedicure, manicure, and all beauty and hair services. So anyone, it's a unisex, so even male can come, and shaving, shaping, everything is there. So yeah, it's a one-stop solution for all. Yes, yes. Prices are very reasonable. So we will have offer every month, as well as we have a membership. So our clients can have a membership, and there is always a 20% discount on the membership. And every month there is a new offer for the month. And services are world class with a reasonable price.
I'll be honored to come here. Thank you so much for calling me. And the other thing is, being an actor, we can't compromise from our skin and hair, and हमारा तो mostly everyday कुछ ना कुछ shoot रहता ही है. So I was looking for the good salon because basically I'm from Gujarat. So I'm looking for a good salon in Hyderabad, और अब तो मेरे घर के बहुत नज़दीक आ गया. It's very near to my home. So कुछ भी रहा, I can come here, I do my hair, I do my skin, and it's best, I believe. Because in everywhere in Ahmedabad, Bombay, Delhi, I saw Habib. Sometimes I went there also.